No, first of all that good afternoon everyone. जैसे राहुल ने कहा कि बड़ी खुशी होती है जब इस तरह के एक मुहिम से रिलेटेड इवेंट के लिए आप सब मौजूद होते हैं. So thank you very much. पर राहुल, more power to you, to the foundation and to HEAL. Because मैं राहुल को 8-9 शायद 10 साल से जानती हूँ. और तब से मैं इनसे सुनती आ रही हूँ कि किस तरह का काम ये कर रहे हैं through the foundation and HEAL. And I think child sexual abuse is something that we don't want to even hear of, forget, know of. So when I did Kahani 2, I got a lot of reading material. कुछ पढ़ के रात भर नींद नहीं आती थी मुझे, because it was so disturbing. Because what is most disturbing about child sexual abuse for me is the fact that it happens within the family most often, which you feel that family ke andar
family is a safe place,
safest place for a child. And then when it happens, it's the perpetrator is your grand uncle or your grandfather or your uncle or anyone. I read a case about a grandmother sexually abusing her grandson. So it's horrific. So the more and more I read, the more and more I felt like, oh my God, this is not something that happens to, or maybe I still felt कि अच्छा दूसरों के साथ होता होगा, कहीं दूर कहीं ये होता होगा. फिर फिल्म रिलीज हुई. जब फिल्म रिलीज हुई तो इतने सारे लोग, people I've known for a really long time, I had so many instances of people coming up to me and saying, I really liked Kahani 2 because it spoke to me. I felt like Minnie. And it was shocking because on the face of it, this person is leading an absolutely trauma-free life. But, they obviously started opening up to me about what had happened with them and the way it has impacted their life, their relationships, their confidence. Just the way they've wanted to disappear sometimes, to be invisible to the world. And I was shocked because I used to feel like it happened somewhere, कहीं दूर, हमसे तो बहुत दूर, हमारी दुनिया में तो ये सब नहीं होता, हमारे बच्चों के साथ ये सब नहीं होता. But the more and more people came up to me, even on social media and personally, people wrote emails. I was beyond shocked. And I realized that if I ever got an opportunity, therefore, the film itself was a great opportunity to address this because, film gets seen by so many people. But if I got an opportunity to do something about this, I would. If my presence at this place is going to even make one person,
No, you have also donated to us. We know that. I haven't told anybody, but Vidya has also donated to us.
Yeah, but that's the least one can do, I feel. So I'm happy to be here, to be doing my little bit to throw light on this cause so that some child feels safer. I would want every child in the world to feel safer, and at least one adult who's gone through this to feel like it was not their fault. I think that for me is the most important thing when you talk about child sexual abuse.
Talking about women empowerment, राहुल ने जब आपको अप्रोच किया, आपकी कितनी आगे ज़्यादा हुई क्योंकि आप सोशल स्टूडेंट ही रही हैं कि हाँ ऐसा हिंदुस्तान में या पूरी दुनिया में ऐसा होता आया है, और क्या आपको ऐसा खास लगा you become a part of it?
देखिए, मैं more than anything else मुझे पता था, जैसे मैंने कहा कि हम 8-9 साल पहले दोस्त बने, तब से राहुल मुझे बताते आ रहे हैं कि किस तरह का काम होता है. फाउंडेशन जो इन्होंने कहा कि इन्होंने शुरू किया to educate the underprivileged children in the Andaman Nicobar and islands and Manipur and Kashmir, and then more importantly HEAL. HEAL जैसे मैंने कहा सोशियोलॉजी की स्टूडेंट रही हूँ, पेपरों में पढ़ा है, हालांकि ये मैं कभी, मुझे पढ़ने में अच्छा ही नहीं लगता था, कभी पढ़ा भी, बहुत केसेस हमें सुनने में आए हैं पेपरों में या फिर न्यूज़ में, या ऐसे किसी ने किसी के बारे में बताया जिसे आप जानते हो. I would never like to listen to any of this. So when Rahul spoke to me about this and he said, this is so that we build awareness, so that we are also able to raise funds for HEAL, because जैसे उन्होंने बताया कि HEAL के लिए बहुत कम लोग monetary support देते हैं. तो मैंने कहा कि मुझे बहुत खुशी होगी अगर मैं आके किसी तरह से इससे जुड़ सकी, मैं अपना काम करके चली जाऊंगी. अगर that's it.
Okay, विचारधारा की बात है, जब हम बोलते हैं गांव देहात की हम बात करते हैं, वहाँ पे गांव देहात की जब हम बात करते हैं तो वहाँ शायद इस तरह की इंसिडेंट ज़्यादा होते हैं, शहरों में भी होते हैं, लेकिन आप मानते हैं कहीं विचारधारा बदलने की
नहीं पता है
लोग क्या कहेंगे.
मुझे भी लगता था कि गाँव में होता ये, शहरों में नहीं होता, गरीब घरों में होता होगा, मिडिल क्लास घरों में नहीं होता. ये सब बकवास है. ये कहना कि किसी इकोनॉमिक स्ट्राटा में होता है या किसी पर्टिकुलर बैकग्राउंड से अगर लोग आते हैं तो उनके घरों में होता है. आई थिंक Rahul's pretty much addressed it, but I feel especially in the case of child sexual abuse, हमें खुद रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेना बहुत ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि ये ज़्यादातर जैसे इन्होंने बताया, और हम पहले से, आई एम श्योर a lot of you are already aware of the fact that child sexual abuse is perpetrated by trusted either members of the family or people who are trusted by the family. Therefore, I think whatever we can do within that, we have to do, so that we're all aware, we're all talking about this issue openly, so children don't feel threatened in any way within their houses. They feel comfortable enough to come and tell you that
the government cannot take away fear. कौन क्या कहेगा? Government can't do that. It has to come from society. कि क्यों नहीं बात करूँ इसके बारे में? क्या स्टिग्मा है?
हाँ, वो स्टिग्मा, वो सोच में जो बदलाव लाने की ज़रूरत है, वो आप और मैं ही कर सकते हैं. हर बात के लिए अगर हम गवर्नमेंट को, वो तो अच्छा, और NGOs बढ़ जाएंगे, अवेयरनेस बढ़ेगा, वो सब, पर what are we doing to secure our children, the lives of our children, to make sure they feel safer within their homes? I think वो हम जितना हमसे हो सकता है हम कर लेते हैं. सरकार जो करना है कर ही लेगी. राहुल जैसे लोग हैं, HEAL जैसे फाउंडेशंस, ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस हैं, वो काम कर रहे हैं, और भी लोग जुड़ेंगे, पर हम सबको इसका हिस्सा बनने की बहुत ज़रूरत है.
So now this serious issue, and we have seen Bollywood taking up issues through, and they have made films on that, and even Kahani too touched on this issue. But do you think that even the film fraternity somewhere is kind of little skeptical about taking this issue primarily and coming up with concrete answers as to what to do and how to face it and how to
sorry I get a bit हर बात के लिए हम नहीं I'll tell you why, because हम भी आप जैसे इंसान हैं, एक्टिंग हमारा पेशा है, और उस वजह से लोग हमें पहचानते हैं. तो जैसे इस बारे में जितनी मेरी समझ है, जितनी मेरी जानकारी है, उससे बहुत ज़्यादा राहुल को है, क्योंकि वो इस क्षेत्र में काम कर रहे हैं. तो आई कैन involve or attach or associate myself with an event like this, hoping that I'm doing my little bit, or maybe monetary contribution or whatever. When Kahani 2 came to me, I did it with an open heart and mind. But I'm saying there is, I don't think we can expect that every second film should address the cause of child sexual abuse. We are here to tell stories. The beauty is, if through your story you're able to touch a chord, if you're able to throw light upon something or make someone think differently, great. But I don't think, and I'm sorry I reacted like that, but मुझे लगता है कि हर बात के लिए आप हम
It's not about I'm asking or questioning the responsibility that the fraternity has.
No, I'm saying that
will it be more fruitful, with the film that also has the answer, because there are certain times that if the child is abused or the parents, they don't know how to go about it, whether to go and report to the police or to
Yeah, no, but for example, Kahani 2 was a film that told you a story about two child sexual abuse victims. One was me, a grown-up adult who's lived through that and who tries to save a child who's undergoing that currently. So I think beyond that, you can't hope for, if a story is written organically, if a filmmaker feels or a writer feels compelled to tell a particular story, great. But I don't think that should be the agenda. And as much as I feel we're all, we all have a certain responsibility, whether as actors or any walk of life you come from, to do our little bit to make it a safer world.